Going to the water park all day!
Happy 4th of July. The last time we were at Kings Island was actually 2 years ago. Today we were here for 4th of July. Anyways, we were Kentucky Kingdom yesterday. We were there from 8:30 in the morning until after 10 p.m. at night. Temps were over 100. So it was not only an extraordinarily long day, but it was just exhausting.
Well, I think we're all still exhausted from this trip.
A little bit tired, but it was such a fun day. We had so much fun. So we've taken our sweet time getting up this morning, getting around, and now we're at Kings Island. We're going to go into the water park and enjoy some water while it's the hottest part of the day. Thankfully, it's not as excruciating as yesterday, but it's still pretty toasty.
It's good we've run sunlight. Thumbs up for that.
What are we riding? What happened to you? We were just talking about how Kings Island, of all the parks, has a bee problem.
And I got stung twice.
Stung twice. Are you gonna be okay?
Find out.
Find out. Well, let's find out if X Grain Thrills is allergic to bees. Stay tuned. Who's driving this car? You! Oh boy. Keep going there, buddy. Be a good driver. Good. I don't know why I made him the driver. Good morning, day 2 at Kings Island. We're only gonna be here for a couple hours this morning. We're gonna get some early entry rides in on Orion and then ride a couple other things, get some food, and then hit the road. We actually stayed for the fireworks last night. We weren't intending to stay for the fireworks. It was just kind of a, we'll see how we're feeling and how things are going. Excellent show, absolutely amazing. But can we talk about the elephant in the room? Apparently the unspoken rule at Kings Island is you sit down to watch the fireworks if you're in like the front section of the park. So we've been here a couple times and seen different fireworks shows, and people sit. And if you stand up, people get angry and they yell at you. Which is exactly what happened last night. Everyone was sitting, the show started, a couple people stood up, people in the back started screaming to sit down. People sat back down, then about halfway through the show, literally like 300 people who were down front just all stood up. People in the back screaming. But at that point, like, everyone else is starting to stand up because you can't see. So it became like a little chaotic in the middle of the fireworks show last night. We've obviously traveled a lot. We've seen a lot of nighttime shows at different parks. Every other park we've been to, everybody stands up. Like, you just stand and watch the show. Most parks won't let you sit down. If you are sitting down, security will come through and tell you that you need to stand up because it's like a safety thing, right? It's dark, nobody can see anything. You're gonna get stepped on. So just curious, it's like a weird unspoken rule here at Kings Island, I guess. But still amazing show. Now we're gonna go have some fun, get some rides in. Let's go have a great day.
Gotta run to Orion.
Gotta love early entry when half the train is empty, meaning you're gonna literally just walk right on. How was it?
It was good.
Fun?
Front row. Always fun.
Orion. Amazing as always. Braylon and I rode in the front row. We rode with a dad and his son who had never ridden this before, and the son was freaking out. Hyperventilating going up the lift hill, screaming. Whose idea was it to get on this thing? I want to get off. Rolled into the brakes.
That first stop was
And just like that, a roller coaster enthusiast is born. Hey, how's your bee stings doing?
A little
Yeah,
swollen.
a little swollen. That one. You gonna make it?
I'll survive.
I have to admit, the park is absolutely stunning for 4th of July. They have literally gone all out. The banners, the flags, the garland, the red, white, and blue. It is everywhere here at Kings Island. It looks absolutely fantastic. Way to go, park. So beautiful. How was it, buddy?
I killed that.
You killed Dad. Well, funny because Dad's right there.
Squish me.
Squish.
Too much?
At least it's the spinning ball in here. Oh, is it because you're 40 now? Is that why?
No, it's fine.
You can't spin because you're now
I
40?
can handle spin as long as I can like focus on something for a couple seconds here and there, but if I can't focus on something, then that's where I start getting...
Because you're old.
It's always been like that.
Because you're old.
Could be.
We have officially entered a new era. Leander is riding bumper cars all by himself. Braylon went to ride Woodstock Express all by herself. Derek is on Phantom Theater all by himself. And I'm just here. You rode a coaster all by yourself. How was it? Did you have fun? Yeah. It was nice to ride some like all independent. Braylon, are you ready? So the problem with collecting ornaments is I literally can't remember which ones I have. I know I have an Orion, a Racer, Mystic Timbers. I honestly cannot remember if I have a Diamondback ball or not. I probably have the Diamondback. I honestly can't remember. I need to make a list. So without a doubt, the best money we have ever spent is getting not only like the all-day drink plan, we always get that, but adding in 2 of the slushy upgrades. Best money we've ever spent. It like hits the spot. It kind of takes the place of ice cream. We've drank so many slushies. Perfect. What kind did you get?
Blueberry mango. It tastes really good, but it doesn't look. It looks weird, but it tastes good.
If it looks weird, it tastes good.
Don't go in the chat.
Don't go in the restricted, go in the shed. Go in the shed. Go in the shed.
Did you go in the shed? Congratulations. Collect ornaments at amusement parks, it does get a little bit tricky unless you're at a park like SeaWorld Orlando, Busch Gardens Tampa. They always have ornaments that are like yearly ornaments, so they have the year on them in the park, so they're always easy to buy. But other parks, they're very, very difficult to find ornaments that I don't already have, so sometimes we get creative. So this is my ornament from Kings Island for the year. I was really hoping they would have something that was like patriotic, America 250. They have a lot of patriotic like t-shirts and hoodies, but no ornaments. So I was hoping, since we were here on the 4th, that I could get an ornament, but oh well. Did you have a fun day? Did you have a fun day?
Yeah. Good day. We got everything we wanted to do.
Yep. Time to go home.
We found
Yeah. And with that, we're gonna hit the road and head home. It's been a great morning here at Kings Island. We rode everything we wanted to ride. Got our free lunch, so, well, not free lunch. Got our lunch on the dining plan, so we are very happy. We had a wonderful morning, and time to head home. See you later.